Siro chenro mag thieth kata clinical officers onyiso sirkal mondo okaw ting' mar winjo ywaggi kendo neno ni ochung ng'anyo margi masani koro osekawo ndalo 51. Gidwaro ni jowetegi mantiere Orak ma Kojolo mi tich mongirore ka bende giseyo duol mar SRC kuom nduso sach jopuonjre makonyo joweche mag thieth e osiptende.
We've been working under the terms half a salary as others, and so we thought that as the 4 years are ending, maybe we will be transitioned to permanent and pensionable. That right now it's not yet done.
The law is very clear that when you have two workers doing work of equal value and you are paying them different salary, that is discrimination at the workplace. The issue that might keep us out here for a bit longer is the issue of the enhancement of the risk allowance, because we know that clinical officers are actually the most exposed in terms of the criteria for determining the risk category for health workers.
These people have contract to in their respective counties that they are working at. The paying agent, the person who is paying them, is the Minister of Health. So this is a shared function, and indeed this affirms the position that we have been holding in the government, as a union, that health has never been fully devolved